Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. Another feature of Toolkit is the ability to import PDF files and create Word or spreadsheet documents within the program itself. You can find these options on the Document tab. The Words option can be used to create computation cover pages or inserts, or supplementary text documents for the project. The Numbers option provides an additional place to perform any spreadsheet computations you might want, such as bracing loads. This spreadsheet contains all the standard functions and variables you would typically be able to use with similar programs. If you want to print or export this spreadsheet, you can set the area to be printed by highlighting it and then clicking the Set Print Areas button under the Area dropdown. The PDF import option can be a useful tool to convert PDF documents into an editable Word format. You can also import your own spreadsheets and PDFs as a document by using the Import button on the Document tab. Importing documents copies the document into the Structural Toolkit project folder by default. If you hold down the Control key while importing, this will simply create a link to the original file location. This Import button is also used to import designs from other Toolkit projects. These additional document types can help keep all your project documentation in the same place. You can even use the Export All or Print All feature to have these extra documents exported alongside your standard Toolkit designs. This way you won't have to add your cover page and such later on. The Stamp Pages feature will also work with these documents. That about covers the additional document types in Toolkit. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.